Welcome to the Department of Chemical and Process Engineering. Every day, new chemicals are discovered, spending millions of dollars for the synthesis of a small amount of products. So how do these chemicals eventually reach the public? The critical link is chemical and process engineering. Chemical engineers design cost-effective processes to scale up newly developed products to make them cheap and readily available. At our department, students are instructed to take a systemic view instead of looking at the individual components of a system. We utilize principles from a broad range of disciplines such as mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology, and economics.
Our graduates work in the traditional fields of chemical and process engineering, such as polymers, petroleum, food, and bioengineering. However, we are also moving towards the industries of the future, such as energy and environmental engineering. We learn from our past mistakes to make processes safer, energy efficient, environmentally friendly, and more sustainable in the long term.
So join us to reshape the world.